In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track order on Alibaba. First, open your browser and go to alibaba.com. Make sure you're logged into the same account you used to place the order. If you see a sign-in prompt, enter your credentials and continue. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page for the profile icon, click it, then choose My Orders. This is your order dashboard, where you'll see everything you've purchased along with their current statuses. Find the order you want to track. Recent orders usually appear at the top, and you can use the search bar or filters to narrow things down by keyword, date, or status. If you have the order number from your confirmation email, that can help you locate it quickly. When you see the correct order, click either View Order or Track Order. Both will take you to the order details, but View Order shows the full breakdown, while Track Order jumps straight to the logistics section. Inside the order details, look for three key pieces of information: the order status, the carrier name, and the tracking number. Statuses typically read as processing, shipped, or delivered. Processing means the supplier is preparing your items and hasn't handed them to the carrier yet. Shipped means the package is on its way and should have tracking scans soon. Delivered confirms it reached the destination. Next, click the tracking number. This opens live shipping updates, often in a new tab on the carrier's site. There, you can see scan events like when the label was created, when the package left the origin facility, customs clearances, and when it's out for delivery. If the page doesn't load, copy the tracking number and paste it directly on the carrier's website. New tracking numbers can take a little time to populate, so if you don't see scans right away after it's marked shipped, check back later. If you're using the Alibaba mobile app, the flow is similar. Open the app, go to your account area, tap Orders, pick the order, and then tap View Order or Track. Some shipments, especially consolidated or international freight, may show fewer scans at first, or switch to a local carrier once the package reaches your country. In those cases, the tracking number may update inside the order details. That's it. Go to My Orders, open the order, review the status, carrier, and tracking number, then click the tracking number for live updates. Follow these steps and you'll always know where your package stands.